Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to show you how to do a mileage correction change. I'm going to show you how to do a mileage correction change in a Chrysler vehicle. We're not actually in a Chrysler vehicle at the moment. It's because I don't have one to hand, but the process I'm going to show you is exactly the same for a Chrysler vehicle. Now this is the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit, and I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. I'll also put a link to this kit in the comments box. It's a fantastic tool if you are looking to do any mileage correction because it's so simple to do. It's plugged in now. One end of this cable is plugged into the tool, the other end is plugged into the OBD2 port underneath the dashboard, so it's all done via the diagnostic port. You don't need to remove any dashboards or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is show you through the process now. So let's click on OK. Obviously, if you were doing this on a Chrysler, you would click America there, but the vehicle that I'm using right now is a European vehicle, so we have to just go with what we've got for now. But you'd obviously go through the whole process of selecting your specific vehicle. Right, so I'm going to click on backup and mileage. What you can do is back up your original mileage, so if you make a mistake you can back up and go back to that mileage, so don't worry about making any errors or anything like that. In this case I've already done that. I've pre-made a recovery file which is 01bin there, so I'm just going to X out of that when it asks me to do that because I don't need to do it again, and it's going to then take me to this mileage section here, so I can scroll down and I can put in the new mileage. So let's say I want the new mileage to be 95,000 miles. You can see on the dashboard there we've currently got 105,657, and let's say I want this now to be 95,000. I'm putting in there, so we'll click OK to that, and everything should drop off and it should come back on. It won't get it exact, it'll get it pretty close. So now you can see the mileage is 94,965. So it's pretty close. That is 35 miles, within 35 miles of where we wanted to be in fact, and it's got adjustment complete on screen. If you wanted it to be exact, then you can just play around with this and give it a few different attempts, play around with the numbers, and you will get it exact at some point. But within 35 miles is pretty acceptable now. Let's say for example I wanted to go back and use my recovery file, go back to where I originally started. That's the recovery file there. I'm going to keep clicking OK here, and it's going to eventually take me back to where we were, 105,657. Recovery successful. So it's all good, and this is all thanks to the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit. Don't worry about these faults because these are a pre-existing fault in this car. And as I say, I've done that mileage there within about 3 minutes flat. I would have done it a lot quicker if I wasn't talking as well. But it's a really simple to use tool, and it will also do key programming for Chrysler vehicles. So yeah, so as I say, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video, and also in the comments box as well if you're interested in maybe going ahead and checking out this kit on Amazon. Perfect if you've maybe got a business which specializes in this type of thing, or indeed you just want to do it for your own vehicle. Thanks for watching this car tech video, and I'll see you next time.